everybody, welcome back to the channel. So have you got a Ford Transit Custom and are you struggling to put fuel in it? I know it sounds simple, but it caught me out and I know it catches a lot of people, so I thought I'd go through it in this video.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, so basically it sounds simple, putting fuel in a vehicle, but with these things it actually is a bit of a pain. So there's something you need to make sure you have with your van, and I actually run my van out of fuel about a few months after I had it, and it actually caught me short because I was on the side of the road and a friend of mine popped a can of diesel to me, and then when I actually went to pour the diesel into the van, I could not get the spout to go into the filler. The anti-siphon just wouldn't allow it to go in. So there's like a metal tab and it just wouldn't go in. So basically I managed to get it open. It was a bit of a pain. I used 2 screwdrivers and there's 2 little black tags you can push, and it is a nightmare and I made such a mess. So there's something you need to make sure you have in your van, and that is this thing. So it's just basically a funnel, and it basically slots. It's the perfect size of a nozzle, like a fuel pump, and you basically insert this into the, obviously the hole where your fuel nozzle goes in, your fuel filler, and basically this will open the anti-siphon and allow it to go in, and then you can just insert your nozzle of your can inside it, and that allows you to fill up. So this is the genuine one. I actually ended up getting this off a friend. Mine was missing, so I don't know where it went. It didn't come with a van. So that's that. Now I did actually, before I got this one, which is the proper one, I actually went on eBay. I will put them down in the description just to, help you if you want to get one. But I actually purchased this one first of all. Now it looks totally different, but it does the same job. I think it's from Mondeo or something. I don't know. There is other vehicles that use this same idea. So this is the other one. So yeah, quite simple. I'll show you how it works. It is quite simple, but just in case you wanted to, the full information, I thought I'd just show you on my van. So let's take a look. Right then, so I have a can here, and if I open up the fuel flap, you'll see I have an anti-siphon filler. Now obviously there's got this little metal plate which obviously won't allow you to access. So if I just take the nozzle of the can and try to push it in, as you can see, it just won't go in. So this is the trouble a lot of people get. There is a way of getting them open, but it's not easy and it takes a lot of potch. Now I'll just wait for Molly there to get out of the way. She likes to get in the way of the picture. So I keep my little funnel here under the seat. So obviously we're going to take our little funnel and we're going to insert it into the filler hole. Now as you can see, it just pushes straight in with ease. It doesn't really take much. It's just the perfect size. So it's designed so that it needs obviously a tube of an exact diameter to unlock it. So obviously that's why we use the proper funnel. Now obviously I got the other type here as well. If I just grab that, you'll see the other one. Oh, there goes Molly again. You can see I've got the other type of funnel, and if I try that one in as well, it's exactly the same and it fits in a lot better. Now this one here does fit really well with the can. So what I've noticed is the actual internal diameter of the funnel is the same as the nozzle. It is actually a nice snug fit, so obviously it's not going to leak. And then when it's all inserted, as you can see, it's a nice tight fit and doesn't leak any fuel. Obviously if you try to do this without this, it does make a bit of a mess, and to be honest, yes, if you can get fuel in there at all. So yeah, that's it. I hope this helps. I know it, some people will say it's a bit stupid, but it caught me out, and I know it catches a lot of people out as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.